KPS Global has been a market leader producing structural insulated panels for over 75 years. As the largest walk-in manufacturer in North America, KPS Global is an essential company tasked with building and maintaining the integrity of the cold supply chain, whether that be for safe, efficient food storage and distribution, or for the temperature-controlled environment needed to test, store, and distribute life-saving medications and vaccines during a pandemic. KPS Global has over 750,000 combined square feet of manufacturing space in 5 states throughout the United States. Our size allows us to ramp up when necessary to meet customer demand. Together with the freight cost advantage we can offer with multiple locations, our capacity redundancy offers protection to you, the customer.
As a KPS customer, you can trust our team of experienced experts to ensure the design, installation, and post-installation experience exceeds your expectations. We have an industry-leading team of engineers, designers, and project managers to ensure your project is a success. We take pride in the knowledge and capabilities of our team, and we're honored customers continue to trust us project after project.
We pride ourselves on thinking outside of the box and providing real solutions to our customers' most important needs. At KPS Global, we have also emphasized a culture of innovation, focusing on research and development of new products and systems that are more sustainable for our environment. In the past couple of years, KPS Global has introduced 3 award-winning new products and applied for or been approved for 37 patents.
KPS Global is known as the leader of walk-in coolers and freezers for the food retail industry. We're proud to be the supplier of choice for the nation's leading food retailers.
KPS Global is here for you, from design to installation and implementation of your project. We like to say from spec to install, we do it all.